Hey, welcome to Gear Jammer Garage. Today I'm installing the front bumper on the 68 truck here, and I thought I'd make a quick video, show you how the brackets go and what I did. I've painted it white. This is the back part. It just has paint. On the other side there's clear coat. Let me show you what paint I used. So this is the paint that I used. Rust-Oleum Automotive Enamel. There's a part number 252468 Auto Gloss White. I think I got this at Home Depot. And the clear that I used, Rust-Oleum Automotive Enamel Gloss. The part number is 257884. They come in a set. I got 6 of these from LMC. First thing you want to do is get these brackets, and they go here like this on each side. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and I'll put these new carriage bolts in. And having this in there, I'm gonna make it easier when you put this in the truck. This sits on top of the frame there. Alright, so having those 2 brackets on there like that, you can get the bumper and sit it on here. There's a hole here on top. You want to sit it in there and put the bolts in loosely, and then you can put this one and then the brackets on the side. And once you got everything in place, then you tighten it up. I ran into a problem on this side. This bracket, this is the side that goes to the frame. This is the side that goes to the bumper. It's hitting the power steering gearbox. So I marked that. I gotta cut that out right there, and that should give me enough clearance to get it to kind of turn, just so I could line up the bolt hole. That's a little bit that I had to cut out right there. So I'll give this a coat of paint, let it dry, and then get this installed. And then I'll go down there and I'll show you guys why I had to cut that out. Alright, got the bumper on. And let me show you why I had to cut that piece of the bracket. Right here, where the power steering gearbox, had to clearance this because I couldn't get this bolt in right here, and this piece here wouldn't line up, but it's in now. And then also I had to put a washer here in between the bumper and this front bracket to space this out, because this wouldn't line up and the bumper would hit here. The bumper would hit here before this bolt would line up. But got it in. Hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.